Congratulations and celebration.
Played a very important role that I could score 625. They were doing extra classes till 8 and 9 p.m.s, and they have I have not went to any extra coachings and all. Even on the exam day, we were in the school and they were doing revision, and my parents' support and my friends, I could score 625. Expectations 620 ಮೇಲಿತ್ತು, 625 ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ನೀಟ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Just do hard work. Hard work matters actually. I would say just do hard work. Everything will happen. Our school is very supportive, just like they were doing extra classes, and there were no any other coachings. I didn't went to any other coachings. They were literally teaching very good at our school.
620 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. 620 ಒಳಗೆ ಅದು ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಒದಗಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಧರ್ಮೇಶ್.
Very happy. All my staff and all management, we are very happy by the achievement of Likita HD. So and in our school, mainly our staff, eminent staff, experienced staff. So they taught well. During examination days also, the students were coming to school. They guided well and they taught well. Even students also very nice, and the parent supports. The parents supported us. When the student is sent in the examination days also. In the examination, even Sundays, every Sunday, throughout the year, every Sunday, the parents sent their students till 1:30. From 9 to 1:30, we have been conducted the extra classes Sundays, and even 6 o'clock from August to till December 6 o'clock. Later on 7 o'clock. Later on 8 o'clock. After January, we have conducted the classes till 9 o'clock. Even till 9 o'clock, they have sent the students. So because of their support, parent support, as well as the students' effort, and my staff, totally my staff. So mainly our staff effort. These collective, inclusive of all these, we have got the state topper.
ಖುಷಿ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಫರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಫರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸಂದಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫಲ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ.
ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೋ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಆದೇಶ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.